Okay, kid, I'm turning on my microphone. Okay. Hi there, peoples. I just got Shelly yesterday. I haven't played her yet, but we have her. We're in a run. As you can see, obviously, that's obvious. Okay, let's shut up. Yeah. So, Dandy, I hate you. I hate you with passion. I hate you with passion. I'm too poor. I hate you with a passion, Dandy. I hate you with passion. My mic is on. Okay, I can see it up there. Sorry. La, la, la. I'm on phone, but I think that's obvious. I was gonna play Swapper, but I haven't played a Shelly at all. You can see from her thing, though I haven't used her ability a lot. I need somebody to do a normal machine, like Pebble or someone, because I wanna boost someone and then actually be able to use it. Oh, there's a man. I can't even speak in chat that there's a man because I don't think I can talk to a lot of people. I don't think I can speak to people much. So that sucks. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Don't ask me. I mean, you're the healer. You're the healer. It makes sense. Oh. Oh, okay. Well then. La 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 la. Oh my gosh, I should get the boost anyway. Have this route. I do not care. I will boost you whether you like it or not. You will be boosted whether you like it or not. If I am here, you will be boosted whether you like it or not. Okay? I'm sorry I'm acting like this. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Please finish the machines faster. Please finish the machines faster. We are too slow. Especially you, Pebble. Especially you. She's doing machine. Pebble is slow. Pebble is horrendously slow. I would know this. Pebble. Extractor Pep. I don't like it. I don't know what it is. I just don't like it. You can have that. I don't have V-mount. My candy mine. My candy mine. What's Pebble Cup? Okay, he does not have. What happened? What happened? Oh my, oh, did Gigi, I'm sorry for that, I'm so sorry. That makes great sense. Did, Gigi snatch that up? Is that what happened? Med, 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 mid. Ooh. Get boosted, freak. Is Louie over here? Louie is up here, so I will not go this way. You need someone with a higher stealth to do that, because I think I have lower stealth than him. I don't know how stealth works correctly in this game. I wanted to do that machine, though. But I don't think I can. I don't know if I'll be able to boost her in enough time for it to actually do something okay. Yeah, she's gonna finish the machine before I can. That's sad. Well, maybe not. If I can boost her, I'll boost her. Hey, Ginger. You're my target today. You're the target I have chosen for boosting, even if you get off the machine. Boost her and then walk away slowly. Ugh. I don't know if my videos at the back is hearable. Maybe, I don't know. Is it? I don't know if it's obvious I'm a new Shelly player. Pebble go. Here she'll get in. Oh, Pebble's gone. Pebble left. Okay, that's cool. Everything's horrible. Oh my god. And which do I have to do? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay.